Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of superfruits and we've got a special one for you, CAMU CAMU. You've probably heard of goji berries, acai, maybe even dragon fruit, but CAMU CAMU, this stuff's next level. We're talking about a tiny fruit from the Amazon rainforest that's absolutely packed with nutrients. Seriously, this little berry is like the hidden champion of the superfruit world, and the best part? Most people have never even heard of it, but trust me, after today's video, you'll be adding CAMU CAMU to your shopping list as soon as possible. We're about to break down the top 10 amazing benefits of this incredible superfruit. We're talking about boosting your immune system, fighting inflammation, and even some seriously shocking stuff you've got to wait until the end to hear. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to have your mind blown by the power of CAMU CAMU. Let's do this. All right, first up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, boosting your immune system. And when it comes to immune boosting power, CAMU CAMU is in a league of its own. We're not talking about a little vitamin C here, we're talking about a megadose. CAMU CAMU has one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C of any food on the planet. Think oranges are impressive? CAMU CAMU has up to 60 times more vitamin C than an orange. That's insane. We all know vitamin C is like a superhero for your immune system. It helps your body fight off those nasty colds and flu, keeps you feeling energized, and protects your cells from damage. And with CAMU CAMU, you're getting a supercharge of vitamin C in every single serving. So if you're tired of getting sick all the time or just want to give your immune system a serious boost, you need to get your hands on some CAMU CAMU. This stuff is a game changer. All right, everyone, let's talk about inflammation. It's something that affects so many people and can lead to a ton of health problems. We're talking about heart disease, arthritis, and even some types of cancer. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. It's like your body sending in the troops to fight off invaders. But sometimes that response goes into overdrive. Now that's where CAMU CAMU comes in with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Remember those amazing antioxidants we talked about earlier? They're key players in reducing inflammation throughout your body. Think of antioxidants like firefighters putting out the flames of inflammation. And CAMU CAMU is packed with these firefighting antioxidants. It also contains unique compounds like ellagic acid and anthocyanins, which have incredible anti-inflammatory effects. Ellagic acid can reduce inflammation in the brain, protecting cognitive health. Anthocyanins give CAMU CAMU its deep purple color and fight inflammation. They've been linked to reduced inflammation in the arteries, maintaining healthy blood pressure. With CAMU CAMU, you're getting a whole army of compounds working together to keep inflammation in check. All right, guys, let's talk antioxidants. You know how in video games you got these power-ups that make you basically invincible for a short time? Antioxidants are kind of like that for your body. They're these little warriors that fight off free radicals. Now, free radicals are like those annoying glitches in a game that mess everything up. They damage your cells and can lead to all sorts of health problems down the road. But CAMU CAMU swoops in with its superhero cape because it's absolutely loaded with antioxidants. We're talking way more than your average fruit here. Like, forget blueberries, acai berries, even goji berries. CAMU CAMU is on a whole other level. And you know what that means? Less damage, better health, and you get to level up your life. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't vitamin C the main antioxidant? Yeah, it's a big deal, and CAMU CAMU's got that covered. But hold on to your hats, because it also brings in the big guns with other powerful antioxidants. We're talking about anthocyanins, flavonols, and ellagic acid, all working together like a superhero team to protect your cells. It's like having Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, and Wonder Woman all on your side. These guys don't mess around. They help protect your heart, your brain, and even your skin from damage. And the best part, CAMU CAMU's got them all in one delicious package. So if you want to fight off those free radical bad guys and keep your body running smoothly, you know what to do. Get yourself some CAMU CAMU. Okay, let's get real for a moment. Our eyes are precious. We don't want to mess around with them. Imagine not being able to see all the amazing visuals on this channel, or the crazy stunts people do, and the smiles on babies' faces, or the sky when it rains. That's why taking care of your peepers is so important. And guess what? CAMU CAMU can help you do just that. This superfruit is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are like sunglasses for your eyes, protecting them from harmful UV rays and that nasty blue light we get from staring at our screens all day. We already know CAMU CAMU is rocking the vitamin C game, but did you know it's also got a good amount of vitamin A in its corner? Vitamin A is crucial for healthy vision, especially for seeing in low light. You know, like when you're trying to find your way to the fridge for a midnight snack without tripping over anything. And hold on, there's more. CAMU CAMU also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are major bodyguards for our eyes. They protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, which are serious eye conditions that can lead to vision loss. So, if you want to keep those eyes healthy and strong for years to come, you know what to add to your diet. You got it, CAMU CAMU. Okay, moving on a little to the feel-good feelings. We all have those days, right? You wake up on the wrong side of the bed, things just aren't going your way, and you're feeling kind of down. Well, guess what? CAMU CAMU might just be the natural mood booster you've been searching for. You see, this amazing fruit has some pretty incredible properties that can actually impact your brain chemistry and help lift your spirits. It's like having a personal cheerleader inside your body, rooting for you to have an awesome day. One of the ways CAMU CAMU works its magic is by reducing stress and anxiety. It does this by influencing the levels of certain hormones in your brain, like cortisol, which is known as the stress hormone. When you're stressed, your cortisol levels spike, and that can lead to all sorts of unpleasant feelings like anxiety, irritability, and even difficulty sleeping. But CAMU CAMU steps in with its calming superpowers and helps bring those cortisol levels right back down to a healthy balance. And when you're less stressed, you're more likely to feel happier, more relaxed, and ready to take on the world. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that CAMU CAMU is here to help you chill out and find your happy place. Okay, so you all know how much I love a good challenge, but trust me, getting older shouldn't be one. That's why we're talking about CAMU CAMU and your skin. So this stuff's like the ultimate skincare hack, packed with more vitamin C than an orange on steroids. We're talking about serious antioxidant power here, people. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of the skincare world, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can age your skin. And let me tell you, nobody wants wrinkles and fine lines showing up uninvited. And aren't they always? We're trying to look fresh-faced for those 100 million subscriber plaques. Yes, this vitamin C boost helps your body produce collagen, the building block of youthful, healthy skin. Think of it as the scaffolding that keeps everything looking firm and plump. And listen up, because this is for everyone dealing with acne scars or hyperpigmentation. CAMU CAMU can be your new best friend. That powerful vitamin C swoops in to even out your skin tone and fade those blemishes, leaving you with a complexion so radiant you'll blind the haters. We're not just talking about a temporary fix here, folks. This is about nourishing our skin from the inside out, giving it the tools it needs to stay healthy and vibrant for the long haul. And who doesn't want that? I'm telling you, after learning about all these amazing benefits, I'm about to go bathe in a tub full of CAMU CAMU berries. Okay, maybe not a whole tub, but you get the idea. This stuff is absolutely legit. So next time you're looking for a way to up your skincare game, remember the power of CAMU CAMU. Your skin will thank you for it. Okay, let's talk belly health for a moment. We've all been there. That feeling of being uncomfortably full after a few too many slices of pizza. It's not pretty. But what if I told you that CAMU CAMU could be the secret weapon your gut has been waiting for? This stuff is packed with fiber, which is like the cleaning crew for your digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly, preventing those dreaded digestive issues that nobody wants to talk about. And trust, when your gut is happy, everything else in your life just seems to fall into place. You'll be feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to take on anything. Even another one of my crazy challenges. But wait, there's more. CAMU CAMU is also a good source of prebiotics. Now, these might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but they're actually pretty simple. Prebiotics are like the food that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. And a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to boosting your immune system and even improving your mood. So basically, CAMU CAMU is like a personal trainer and a gourmet chef for your gut, all rolled into one. It helps things run smoothly, feeds the good guys, and keeps everything in tip-top shape. And who doesn't want a gut that's strong and resilient for the next pizza binge? Not that we have those. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. All right, guys, let's talk about something we all care about, staying in shape. We all know that eating healthy and exercising is key, but what if I told you that CAMU CAMU could give you a little extra edge in the weight loss department? Now, I'm not saying that this is some magic pill that will melt away the pounds overnight, but CAMU CAMU does have some pretty impressive properties that can help support your weight loss journey. For starters, it's naturally low in calories and sugar, which is always a win when you're trying to watch your waistline, but the real magic happens with its fiber content. Remember how we talked about how fiber helps with digestion? Well, it also helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to give in to those cravings and overeat. And if that wasn't enough, some studies suggest that CAMU CAMU might even help boost your metabolism. Now, a faster metabolism means you're burning more calories, even when you're just chilling on the couch. And who wouldn't want to burn a few extra calories without even lifting a finger? It's like getting paid to watch TV. But seriously, while more research is needed, the potential for CAMU CAMU to aid in weight loss is definitely exciting. It's all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. And incorporating nutrient-rich foods like CAMU CAMU can definitely give you a leg up on your weight loss journey. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss goals, give CAMU CAMU a try. It might just be the missing piece of the puzzle you've been searching for. Alrighty, ever feel like you're dragging during your day, like you just need a serious energy boost? We've all been there. You're up late editing, you've got to be on set early, it takes a toll. But what if I told you there's a natural way to fight that fatigue? That's where our little friend CAMU CAMU comes in. This superfruit is like the ultimate energy drink, but without all the sugar and artificial business. We're talking natural energy that lasts. Imagine this. You're on hour 3 of filming a challenge, the clock is ticking, and suddenly, bam, you get hit with that second wind. You're back in the game, feeling energized and ready to crush it. That's the power of CAMU CAMU, my friends. It's like a secret weapon for fighting fatigue and unlocking your inner powerhouse. Now, I'm not saying CAMU CAMU is going to turn you into a superhero overnight. You're not going to suddenly be able to lift a car or anything. But what it can do is give you that extra push, that natural boost to help you power through your day. Because let's be real, life's a challenge. And we could all use a little help sometimes, whether you're a student pulling an all-nighter, an athlete pushing your limits, or just someone who needs a pick-me-up. CAMU CAMU has your back, and the best part, it's all natural. No crazy chemicals, no jitters, just good, clean energy to help you conquer your day. Okay, we're about to talk about something super important. Cancer. It's a scary word, and for good reason, but what if I told you there might be a natural way to help fight back against this enemy? I know, it sounds crazy, but scientists are doing some seriously interesting research on CAMU CAMU and its potential anti-cancer properties. Now, I'm not saying CAMU CAMU is a cure for cancer, but the studies are showing some really promising results. It all comes down to those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier. Remember how they fight off those nasty free radicals in our body? Well, those free radicals can sometimes cause damage to our cells, which can lead to cancer. So, by fighting off those free radicals, CAMU CAMU could potentially help prevent that cell damage from happening in the first place. Pretty amazing, right? Of course, this is all still being measured and researched, and we need more studies to say for sure. But the early results are definitely giving people hope. And that's what's so exciting about CAMU CAMU. Not only is it packed with tons of amazing health benefits we already know about, but it also has the potential to help us fight some of the biggest health challenges we face today. It's like this little fruit is a tiny, mighty warrior fighting for our health and well-being. And there you have it, folks, 10 amazing benefits of CAMU CAMU. We're talking immune boosting, energy lifting, potentially even cancer fighting power. But before you go, let me share a quick and simple recipe to try at home. It's my go-to CAMU smoothie. And it's crazy delicious. We're talking frozen bananas, a handful of spinach, some almond milk, a scoop of pea protein powder, a handful of ice, and of course, a heaping teaspoon of CAMU CAMU powder. Blend it all up and boom, you've got yourself a tasty and healthy treat. Let us know if you make this yummy smoothie. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with CAMU CAMU, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.